Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make transparent shape in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now I make transparent shape in this presentation. At first I have to insert a shape. Click this shape option and insert any shape. Now I insert this triangle shape. Now select this shape and click show or hide format style option. Now change this shape color. Now you can see here our opacity option. Now drag on your mouse left button to decrease this shape opacity. Now click outside of this text. Now you can see I make transparent shape in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.